Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a QR code for your Google Drive link. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm currently on Drive, and I'm in an empty folder, which I have created for this tutorial's sake. And what I'm going to do is just copy the link. I can do it either here, click share, and then click copy link. And now I have the link that is needed for my folder. Now, to create a QR code, all that you need to do is go to, Google or wherever you want, and then just go QR code generator, and that should be perfectly fine. Then just use whichever free generator you want. Click here, for example, and enter the URL that we want. And as you can see, this has now created the URL into the QR code. You can easily just download the image, and then you can just put it wherever you want, and you can freely scan it and open up that link. Now, I know you guys won't be able to see this, but if I test it out really quickly and just scan this QR code, it should take me to my Google Drive, and you guys are just gonna have to trust me on this since I cannot switch to my phone. But yeah, it takes me to a Google Drive account, and I don't have access on my different account, but that is pretty much it. It just takes me to the folder, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.